Today I'm going to be showing you how to pin a video or videos to the top of your TikTok profile. Looks like this. I'm also going to show you where you can find this feature coming up next. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Quincy and today I'm going to show you how to pin videos to the top of your TikTok profile. But before I begin, real quick, I want to give a couple of shout outs to the comment winners of my last few videos. I want to give a shout out to Pamela Lawson and also Wears and Styles. Hey, thank you guys for commenting and staying engaged on my last few videos. If you would like to be featured as a comment winner on my next video, make sure you comment on this video with your questions, concerns. Also, leave your TikTok username and profile so I can come check you out as well. Let's go ahead and open up TikTok right now. We're gonna go ahead and click on it. Now you will see I have 2 videos right now already pinned, but let's go ahead and select another one so I can show you how it's done. We're gonna go ahead and scroll down. We'll click on this one right here. You want to go ahead and click on the 3 dots on the bottom right. Now you will see analytics, save video, pin, promote, remove from playlist, duet. Go ahead and click on pin. Pin to the top of your profile. So now we can go back, go to the top of the profile, and as you see, I have 3 videos selected at the top. So what happens if you decide you want to try to click on a 3rd video? Let's go ahead and click on this one right here. 3 dots, click pin. You can only pin up to 3 videos. So as much as I'd like to pin about 5 or 6 up there, you can only do 3. Now, why would you want to do this? As I mentioned, maybe you have something that you want to promote right now. Maybe you have a sponsor or that's one of the requirements of you being sponsored by someone is that they ask that you pin that video to the top of your page for a couple of days, a couple of weeks. Comment on this video. Let me know if you have or do not have this feature. I've also made a couple of videos on how you can possibly get this feature as well as some of the other features TikTok has rolled out this year and last year. Now, for this one, I don't think you have to have a certain amount of subscribers. I personally think I got this because it was just rolled out. And I got early access to this feature. They have been talking about it, and hey, I noticed yesterday that it was available, and so I wanted to make sure that I showed you guys. I haven't seen a video on YouTube showing you how to use the feature or where to find it, but just a couple of videos saying that soon it will be rolled out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. This way I can bring you more videos like this that will hopefully be helpful tips to you. All right, guys, until next time, see you later.